again for another walking beach video. So, here I am. So, where is it? Little stream going towards the beach. A sunny day, even though it's winter in New Zealand. And this is what plays just off the beach. Stream there. So, about to walk through a tunnel. I'll show you the outside. Through there. And I'll walk through here. Interesting. Hello. Not much light in here, I guess. So I've taken a while since I did my last YouTube video, but I'm wanting to do more of them. So hopefully you're interested in watching them. Oh, it's cold in this house. And back up again. Nice little stream. So this is just near Back Beach. You know if you've been here before. I'm trying to think of what's a good walkway to go to that is quite quiet and not too many people, because I feel a bit awkward making these videos with these people around, you know. Some nice cabbage trees, native New Zealand trees are quite nice. Yeah, there is a nice bridge, the stream. Hear the birds? The river on the hill. It's a pretty nice walk though. Nice bird song. So, you know of any nice locations you think I should go to? Make a video. Let me know. There seems to be some houses around. Beautiful sunny day, nice winter's day. Lovely harakiki plants. thing I love about New Zealand is there's so many lovely places all around to go for walks on. A stream. Oh, didn't know that cars could go through here. Used to be a car going. Maybe this isn't. Guess I'll walk this way then. Used to be a car going past. Oh, let's see. Mr. Car. No cars could go on this track. Look at this lovely banana trees. Some pine. Love these lily plants. Some bamboo. Even a sand dune up there. Interesting. Looks pretty cool. I love little tree stumps like this. It looks like a fairy home. So beautiful. Vibrant bright green. The sun. Find a little spot to relax. Soon. Take a look at the surroundings. Just sit here. Listen to the beautiful sound. The river goodbye. thank you for watching my video, and let me know if you want me to make more nature videos walking around. And have a great day. Bye.